Okay, today we are going to learn ninth lesson Pratapgarh makes history. First paragraph, first point, Adil Shah pursued. The court of Adil Shah at Bijapur was passing anxious days due to the growing exploits of Shivaji Maharaj. Exploits means to use something or treat somebody unfairly. Isn't it? All they were worried about Shivaji Maharaj. The Sultan summoned means called all his Sardars to court to take stock of the situation. All the Sardars, including those known for their exploits and those comparatively unknown, attended. Badi Sahiba, the Dowagar Queen, who personally looked after the Adil Shahi administration from Bijapur, was also present. The one question before the assembly was how to bring Shivaji to book and break his revolt. So, Badi Sahiba, the queen of Adil Shahi, also was present in that, and she also wanted to destroy whatever that kingdom established by Shivaji Maharaj. So she called all the Sardar and wanted to ask and wanted to select person to destroy this establishment of Swarajya by Shivaji Maharaj. Badi Sahiba asked a straight question to her Sardars, tell me who is willing to march against Shivaji Maharaj and put an end to his rebellion. So she asked questions all the Sardar ki who is able to end his rebellion. Rebellion means uprising. विद्रोह जो शिवाजी महाराज कर रहे हैं उनके हिसाब से वो विद्रोह होने लग रहा था, तो वो कौन उसको डिस्ट्रॉय करेगा, उसको कौन यानी शिवाजी महाराज पे हमें विजय पाना है तो वो कौन कर सकता है. द कोर्ट बिकेम साइलेंट. थर्ड पैराग्राफ. एवरीबडी sat quietly in his place and started looking at the next person, for who would dare accept the challenge of fighting Shivaji. Just then a giant of man came forward and bowed respectfully before the throne. His name was Afzal Khan. So everybody was silent, quiet, but nobody want to take challenge or accept challenge of fighting with Shivaji Maharaj. But just then one giant man, one giant Sardar, एक बड़ा सरदार वो आता है और वो क्या करता है, ही बो हिज हेड बिफोर थ्रोन, मीन्स वो सलाम करता है और अफजल खान उसका नाम है. The Khan accepted the challenge. The Khan accepted the challenge and picked up the betel leaf from the salvar as a mark of acceptance. Shivaji, who is Shivaji? He said, I shall arrest him and bring him here. Or if that is not possible, I shall bring his dead body. Then he asked question कि who is Shivaji? कौन शिवाजी है? मैं उन शिवाजी को क्या करूँगा, अरेस्ट करके लाऊंगा, नहीं तो उसको मारूंगा और उसकी डेड बॉडी जो है वो इधर लेके आऊँगा. Afzal Khan was one of the mighty Sardar at the court of Bijapur. His physical prowess and strengths were unbelievable. Means he was very mighty, very strong. He had lot of strength to fight with enemies. He could bend a crowbar with his bare hands. He was past master in achieving his end by an available means. This Afzal Khan had accepted the challenge of bringing Shivaji to court, dead or alive. Means he. So this was the Afzal Khan. He was very mighty and very powerful man, powerful Sardar, and anyhow he won in fighting with anybody. So that is why he accepted challenge to bring शिवाजी महाराज अलाइव और डेड. यानी शिवाजी महाराज को मारने का वो डिसीजन जो है वो सबके सामने बताता है. और ये जो अफजल खान है बहुत कैसा था, स्ट्रांग था, माइटी था, पावरफुल था. और वो अभी उसने बताया है कोर्ट में कि मैं शिवाजी को अरेस्ट करूँगा, नहीं तो मारूँगा. अफजल खान लेफ्ट Bijapur in great pomp. He was accompanied by huge army fully equipped for battle, means with a lot of soldiers and all the equipment for the fighting. He took with him and he left that Bijapur. He was previously the Subedar of Vai for 12 years. वाई का वो सूबेदार था और शिवाजी को मारने के लिए या पकड़ने के लिए बहुत सारी आर्मी लेके वो अभी बीजापुर से निकलता है. He marched on Maharashtra full of pride and confident of success. Means he was very successful soldier in every war or in every fighting he won. Next point, Swaraj in danger. At this time, Shivaji was at Raigad. He got the news of Afzal Khan's movements. He immediately saw that his Swaraj was in great danger. So he understood that there is one problem, and that problem was that of movements of Afzal Khan's towards himself. But he did not lose courage. He knew that Afzal Khan was full of strategy and had a huge army with him. Shivaji's kingdom was very small in comparison, so was his army. Means if we compared with Afzal Khan and Shivaji Maharaj, both army was different in comparison. That Shivaji's armies and kingdom was small, but Afzal Khan's army was very larger. He could see that he could never hold his own in open battle against the Khan. So that is why he decided to fight not openly. His only hope was in some strategic move that would take the Khan by surprise. In consultation with Jijabai with her blessing, Shivaji Maharaj shifted the headquarters from Raigad to Pratapgarh, and that is why that Shivaji Maharaj decided to move his headquarters फ्रॉम रायगढ़ टू प्रतापगढ़. इसीलिए क्या करते हैं, शिवाजी महाराज को ये समझ में आता है कि अफजल खान अभी आ रहा है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया है, जो हेडक्वार्टर जो है उनका, जो ऑफिस यानी जो भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का जो सेंटर है वो उन्होंने रायगढ़ से प्रतापगढ़ को शिफ्ट किया है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अफजल खान counter move. When the Khan learned that Shivaji had moved,